gotta do it. My side's a little messed up, but I'll try and fix it before I spray it. Thank you, Rust-Oleum. Man, that looks fantastic. Hell yeah, brother. Yeah, this looks not bad. Not bad. Hell yeah, brother. I put in fresh gas and now the car is acting up a bit out. Seems to be driving fine now. I'll head up to my brother's. Guys, even with traffic and it being hot as heck in here, temps are running fine, oil pressure's good. And yeah, it's just cruising along. It would be nice if I had AC or I could roll my windows down, but you know, little door opening when it's safe, never hurt anybody. Totally when it's safe, of course.
What we're thinking here,
Okay.
look at that perfectly positioned hole.
Oh, nice. Alright, so we are trying to ratchet it.
You might need to go ahead and back down and get more straight.
Yeah.
Hand me these guys. Go ahead and...
There's...
There's 69% battery, so we're good. Whoa! All the power!
Oh, yeah. Purrs like a panther.
The three things you don't want to see your mechanic carry into your car.
But you
Zip
always
ties,
want with you.
Duct tape and a hammer. There we go. Stop.
Alright, let's not create too much of a mess. Yeah. That's hilarious. Vicky's going down the mountain at speed. Got another ABS, got a check engine light, a little wrenchy thing. I don't know what that means. Probably just means it's got extra horsepower. Airbag lights on, but yeah, those are for trash. I'm not